Are you annoyed with certain things in Windows 11? In this video, you will see how to fix the most annoying things in Windows 11. Move the Start button back to the left side. With Windows 11, you get the Start menu in the center of the taskbar. In every version of Windows, the Start menu used to be on the left side, but in Windows 11, it is situated at the center. It might be awkward for some people. If you also feel that way, you can put it on the left side. To do that, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Then click on Taskbar Behaviors, and then go to Taskbar Alignment, click here and select Left. Get Old Context menu back. On Windows 11, the context menu doesn't display full options. You have to click on the Show More options to view the old context menu. In a recent update, Microsoft enabled the full context menu if you press the Shift key while right-clicking on items. Though, you can enable the old context menu by editing the registry. To do that, click on Start and type regedit. Now open it. Then navigate to HKey Current User, Software, Classes, and then select CLS ID. Right-click on it and select New Key. Now copy the first key value from the description, paste it here and press Enter. Then right-click on this value and select New Key. Then copy the second value from the description, paste it here and press Enter. Now here on the right side, you will see a default key. You can see here it is saying value not set. So we will double-click on this to open it. Now click OK. Now you can see the data field is blank. Close the registry editor. Restart your system and enjoy the old context menu. If you want to revert back, just delete the inproc server 32 key. Change the taskbar size. On Windows 10, you could change the taskbar size, but on Windows 11, it is fixed. If you find that the taskbar size is small for you, there is no option for that. Though, you can change the taskbar size using the Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor, then navigate to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, then Current Version, Explorer, and then select Advanced. On the right pane, right-click here and select New DWORD 32-bit value. Name it as Taskbar SI. Double-click on it to open, then set the value to either 0, 1, or 2. 0 denotes a small taskbar, 1 for medium, and 2 for large. You can set the value according to your need. Click OK, then close the registry editor. Now restart your PC. Block Windows promotional ads. Microsoft started showing promotional ads on Windows 10, and this is continuing with Windows 11. These advertisements promote Microsoft and other products such as apps and games. These are irritating, but there is an option to turn them off. Open Settings and click on Privacy and Security. Then under Windows Permissions, click on General. Now disable these 4 options related to advertisements. Change default applications. On Windows 11, changing the default application is complex, especially related to browsers. Let's see how to change default applications on Windows 11. Open Windows 11 Settings and click on Apps. Then select Default Apps. You can search for the files here and apps here that you want to change the default applications. I am searching for Google Chrome. Then select it. Now you can select apps for each file type for the browser. Sticky keys pop-up. Sticky keys are a useful feature for people who can't use key combinations. If you need to use a key combination like Ctrl plus F button, you need to keep pressing the Ctrl and then press F, but with the sticky key enabled, you don't need to keep pressing the Ctrl, you can just press Ctrl once and then press the next key. It is a useful feature for people who find it difficult to use key combinations. But the problem is with people who don't want to use sticky keys. When you press the Shift key 5 times, it shows the sticky key pop-up. That's irritating for people who don't need sticky pop-ups. The good news is that you can disable this pop-up. To do that, open Settings and click on Accessibility. Scroll down and click on Keyboard, and now click on Sticky Keys. Then disable the keyboard shortcuts for sticky keys. Now, this pop-up won't trouble you. Disable Extra Telemetry. Windows 11 sends various tracking data to its servers. It is not possible to completely disable all the telemetry data, though you can pretty much limit it in the settings. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Now click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Disable Send Optional Diagnostics Data. I am using Insider builds, so I cannot disable the diagnostics data. If you are not using Insider build, you can disable it. Now expand each option one by one and disable them. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.